What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here, along with the familia. I got the day off today, and today is such a beautiful, beautiful day. Yeah, look at him, look at him, look at Mr. Romeo. Yay! Say hi, guys.
I love you.
You're gonna be hot though. Son, you're gonna be hot though.
I know.
Son.
It's such a beautiful day, guys, that we have to go out to the beach area. Even if we don't swim, we're just gonna go. I feel like flying the drone because the sky is so blue today.
Don't say anything.
Don't say anything, Jessie. It may look dark right now because it's because we're inside the house. But right after breakfast, we're gonna head on over to probably Donkey Beach. Yeah, so.
What is Donkey Beach?
What is Donkey Beach? You know what, guys? You guys are coming along. But before that, check this out, guys. Check this out. I got a special request. Oh my God, my battery is like halfway down already. No way. No way. Oh my God. Excuse me, guys. Check this out. This is what Jess got me. Oh my God, I gotta sneeze. Oh, my nose. Right here, guys. I requested this. Woo! Look at that, guys. Look at that. I'm gonna do some B-roll here for you. Woo! Look at that. Yeah. The classic locomotive, guys. Where'd you get this from, Jess?
Waipoli.
Huh? Waipoli? Waipoli restaurant?
Yeah.
I told Erica, let's not eat and just exercise, you know, go walking, and then, you know, that'll make us hungry, and then we can go to Kauai Family Cafe. But she said, I'm hungry. Did you give her her stuff earlier?
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh, okay. Alright, guys, I'm gonna chow down. Ugh. Oh, my nose is going off. I'm gonna chow down, and then we're gonna go. Let's go. Alright, guys, so yeah, we're over here at Kauai Beach. Weather is perfect. Look at that. Woo! Look at the sun, guys. Look at the sun. But check out the waves. Look at that. Holy moly. Yeah. Look at that. Watch out the bikers. Wow, look at that, guys.
Hey, Mama, Draco jumping.
Yeah, come on. Draco jumping.
I know.
See, Draco, wow. Draco,
Hey, Jess. You have to spray. And we got Mr. Draco eagerly waiting. Right, Mr. Draco? Eagerly waiting to go walking. Hold on, Draco. Hold on. Woohoo! Yeah. Tell him be patient. Set him up.
Draco, come here.
Oh, what is that? You have a leash already?
Yes.
Oh, it goes to your backpack?
No.
Oh.
Just hold it. Can you jump?
No.
Come on, we're uphill.
Come on, Draco.
Come on.
Come on, Draco, get down. Yay! Good boy. All right.
Wait.
Nice.
Mom gotta hold this for me because I gotta carry.
such a beautiful day. I can't say it enough. Yeah, right there, guys. Look at the waves. Ooh. I guess we got our first victim to succumb to tiredness, guys, and his name is Mr. Draco. Mr. Oh no, he's finally up now. Look at him. Yay, Draco. Yeah. Yeah, he was laying on the grass for a while and he was getting lazy. But on we go, guys. On we go. Let's go. Jess, interview, Jess.
No.
Oh, I got the junk angle here. There you go, Jess.
I want to put it back.
No,
not my
Mom's
back.
tired, you know.
I want to get the
Alright, you tired already?
They just started walking and tiring.
Hi, Jess.
So,
Where we at?
what you call this? The Thai street food?
Thai street food?
Yeah.
Wow, is this one of your favorite places too? Thai street food?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, we're over here about to grab a lunch. We actually already ordered some pad thai and some, what is that, yellow curry chicken?
Yeah, yellow curry chicken.
Woo! Man, it's one of our favorites. And yeah, we're just waiting on our order right now. And yeah, what's going on, Jess? Oh,
Waiting for the food.
waiting for the food?
Yeah.
Oh, not yet.
I thought that's our food.
Yay! Alright guys, yeah,
Yeah,
that was quite a hike.
you.
Actually a stroll along the beach, more like. So we're just gonna enjoy this, some of this Thai food, pick up the kiddos, go home, take a nap. Yeah, take a nap. I'm really looking forward to taking a nap.